Sometimes I know they understand this Jamie law. Sometimes you get it a day. You get a day for the paper when be say that they give person. They go give person paper finish because of one reason or the other. When that reason not there, they go say they won't collect paper. Ah, this our sister. Oh, it did very, very unbelievable. Mona, listen to the story. Hello, my country people. Now, good morning, and good afternoon, and good evening. That one depends on where you watch me from. Welcome to Ebony the Lioness, aka MOA. If not the first time you come across my page, don't forget to follow this page on the notification bell so that anytime I put any video, you will be the first person to be notified. So, my country people, we get this our sister will be say call me yesterday, say you need ASAP help from us. Maybe say we'll put her for comment section for her. It is a very, very big problem balava now for Deutschland. This is our sister. According to her story, she says she get one pikin, she get problem with eye. He said that eye they breathe water come and he can't get problem with eye. You know they use it until they do something where you know they use it until they see where and all those kind of things. The eye get it they you know some people they will get really severe eye problem, you understand? So because of that eye problem, according to her, he said they grant her a document through that eye problem. You understand, my country people? So when they give her that document, now only one pikin now she gets that time. That time your husband still dey IT for that side. You understand? As they give her the paper, now your husband waka come. As your husband waka come, so the eye problem, he no fit use her do anything. And when they give her the paper, they tell her say she go fit work with the paper. So now this our sister can say he no fit work or anything. They no say he get eye problem. So for that 5 years, now 5 years now they give her paper. She say she no fit go school. She no fit work. So she come born 2 other children. Join the one pikin when he born when they take give her paper. Then his husband come sit down with her for his house. They call the house together. Now they come write her a letter for this year say, Madam, we give you paper, you not use her work, you not use her do anything. Now we want to, the reason why we will give you the paper, we want to be like say your hair don't do okay because the eye when you shooted they born picking. That means the eye don't do okay. Now it make her you feel born when be say you go fit take care of picking. You understand? So he say he come the fear, he come go lawyer. I see this way lawyer later. I know you can tell her say this one go hard well. It go hard because they give you the paper, they talk her for the paper, say you feel work, that be working permit when they put for inside the document. So you know work, this one go get it go be. So they go court. As he reach court, then she call he judge, lawyer, come they talk with the judge. Then she call interfere as he come just vex. She come begin tell judge say, una say me work, this year I see the pain now. If he get eye problem, yeah, he don't they go small. If he reach 40 years now, he come born and I go say, now so her age not too late before she come begin the born. Say nah, he just say make it born in children, make it born all of them. Say that not me say yeah, I don't see the pain and all those things. He say, now judge come to say, but people when they your case, they not tell us say your eye see they pay you. They not let us know say your eye see they pay you. He said that the judge can look and say, okay, your children already go don't get picky for primary school already. So we not fit carry you now. And this picky can't go Nigeria back. Wait till I go do. Now ya kukuma leave the documents for you. Now this judge can't leave her, give her the document, tell her say she fit go renew her document. So he said the people when they follow her, they work as in the organization when she they follow. Those who are come tell her say this paper when they give her so only when they renew so that not me say they stop for there. It can be possible in a very few time to come that they come meet her again. Because he tell her say you know work oh your eye they didn't shoot it you know now they go must see fly way. Say the organization come tell her say waiting go good for her, make she apply for the house vice, handicap house vice document. You know that card when they give handicap, now they say they know how your case stay severe, as in whether you know they say 1, 2, 3. you know as they take they do na so I tell you now. They say that depends on your take severe na so they'll take they pay you money, and then with this paper they go talk say she not fit work, oh, she not fit do this, she not fit do that. Then he got us, okay, you don't know this guy thing, which one could be that one again? He said with this card, he go fit use that to the enter free bus, he go use that to the enter free tram, he go use that to the enter free train. Then I got tell and say yes, they get something like that for people who say they get special children. Then I say, but your case na high problem. But you see they say yes. So just that sometimes he no go just see, they'll still give her medicine, he go feel good again. Say, as they tell her, he can your go meet lawyer. He said before he go meet lawyer, he go ask them say, wetin be the disadvantage of this issue, of this thing? So, wetin be the disadvantage? He said they tell her say no disadvantage. He said that one can shock him. He said that he go lawyer, he go tell lawyer, that lawyer tell her say yes, something like that dey, but he not sure say they go give you that kind of thing because na high problem you get, and if you shop medicine go dey okay again. If you come back you shop medicine go dey okay again. So he said na that one, he go say as that one say okay, if you take any disadvantage dey. Now he come, now that one tell her say no disadvantage. Now she come to say she no dey believe Germany. Nothing for Deutschland wey not get disadvantage. Nothing when they'll give you wey not get repercussion. She say she dey fear. So now she come ask me, say abeg make her help am come ask whether this thing when she won't do so, if he take her, whether it be okay. Now me come tell her say, me personally, oh, my country people, I come tell her say, you see this thing, when you take this thing, meaning you are not okay. Husband dey with you for house now. God forbid I not pray, my country people. God forbid. He with your husband not dey again. Or small problem come. My country people, una sure say they not go collect children for her hand. Now wait till I think, now wait till I tell her that. I say now dear me they go they look. I don't feel make decision tell you now because waiting me they go they look now be the children. Because all these people now one reason or the other, if you make mistake, they don't find the reason say don't use a person body. Then I say this thing I don't know how they be. I don't know whether I only don't know say that children they get her. Or adult really they handicap. Then they give. You understand? But this your case now just I. Then I say, me I don't know. Just because a person no one go work. Or maybe a person no feel work because of fire. The cause I constantly collect picking from person hand. Me I they fear nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow, my country people. So now we can ask now, beg my people. He say in this kind of situation, what do you think? What do Nati say make she do? Make she go collect that outside just to block that place. Say she not fit work, you know, to block her. Say I not fit work, I not want work. Maybe say, may not be say in future as the organization tell her, may they not consider they want to revoke the paper again because the reason why they give her a high problem when the high problem finish, they have the right to collect their documents back. So my country people, I beg if you come across this video, if you get idea, I beg leave them for the comment section. You hear? God bless all of you now. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.